Hello, moneymakers. Did you know there is one niche on YouTube that will give you evergreen views every year if you create it properly? You can also make a lot of money from affiliate marketing and YouTube AdSense revenue as well. And that niche is called Health and Fitness Niche. See this channel, they have over 4 million subscribers and some of their popular videos have got hundreds and millions of views. The average RPM on this niche is at least $5 to $8. Even if you get 500,000 to 600,000 views, you would still be making over $10,000 every month. The target audience of this niche is huge, as who don't want to improve their health, and people who watch such videos will buy your affiliated products as well, such as supplements or some natural herbs, etc. Just head over to ClickBank or Digistore24 for health-related products, and just put your affiliate link in the description. People will definitely buy those products and you will get passive income from affiliate marketing too. This is not over yet. Imagine there are hundreds of supplement companies in the world who want to market their products. Tell me one thing, who can explain the benefits and promote their products better than a health and fitness YouTube channel? These companies who have deep pockets will contact you for a sponsored video, and trust me, you can charge up to $2,000 for a single promotional video if you gave a good audience base. So in this video, I will teach you how to create a faceless health and fitness YouTube channel with the power of AI. From script writing to editing, all will be done with AI. Let's get comfortable and grab a glass of Coke. Oh wait, no Coke please, as this is a health-related video. So grab a glass of fresh avocado juice and watch this video till the end. Let's begin with topic research. Do you know the health and fitness niche is a vast niche, and there are many sub-niches under this niche, such as yoga, diet control, and many more. You can cover all of these topics if you want. To get quick authority, you have to select one topic and make videos on a particular sub-niche. For example, dieting or intermittent fasting. Now the question is, which topic we should pick? So let's open ChatGPT and ask, I would like to start a YouTube channel in fitness niche. And I came across some videos on YouTube, which are usually on health tips and tricks. Here I am giving you the examples of these videos below. Let me know if you have understood the concept. And then paste any 4 topics of the reference channel. And as a result, ChatGPT provides some key points about the concept. So, I think ChatGPT understood the niche. Now ask ChatGPT, I want you to give me some ideas for YouTube videos topic in the similar niche. So as we can see, ChatGPT provides a list of video topics, so you can choose topic from here, or you can also take topics from other channel as well. Not just choose any random topic for your video, choose one that really grabs people's attention. Just to show you the process here, I will choose this topic for my video. Top 10 foods for glowing skin. Alright, once we have a topic, now let's write a script. So let's ask ChatGPT, can you provide me a detailed video script on top 10 foods for glowing skin? As we can see, ChatGPT gives us complete script for our video.
Do you want prompts that I personally use to write scripts for my channels? Then just hit that subscribe and like button and comment down below. I will pick your comments from the studio and reply you with the amazing prompts which you might have not used before in your journey as a giveaway.
Now usually in video creation process, we need to write script, generate voiceover, collection footages and images, and also editing in different tools, and we need to purchase them as well individually. But now, I'm going to show you an amazing tool that will do all of your work instead of using other tools separately. Open your browser and search for the Filmora 13. Now open the link and download in your computer, and then install it. With this software, not only you can edit the video, but there are many others feature available, which is insane. After installing the software, open the app and choose AI text to video option from here. Now you have to enter your script. We already created a script with ChatGPT, but if you do not want to use ChatGPT, you can also write script within Filmora itself. Click on Generated by AI, then choose Informative Explanatory Article. After that, enter your topic and hit Generate. So as we can see, it will generate a complete script for us. But we already created a script with ChatGPT, so let's use that script for our video. Now choose video language, select the voice, select 9:16 ratio. However, if you do not want to use AI voice, you can also clone your voice from here. Then hit Generate. Within a few minutes, your video will be ready.
Top 10 foods for glowing skin. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to know the secret to glowing, radiant? It starts...
And our video is ready. Filmora add all the things which we require to create a video, such as voiceover, footages, images, subtitles, and background music. Now, if you like, you can change the voice of your choice from this option. You can change the footage and images as per your requirements too. First, click on this template icon. Here you will get so many ready-made templates which you can use for the intro and outro of your video. Then set the volume of your voiceover. You can increase and decrease the volume of the voice as well. For an instance, if we don't like any footage, you can replace it with the one you like. There are many stock footage options available on Wondershare Filmora 13. Let's assume that's if you are not satisfied with the footage or images, or you might not get the relevant ones. You can also download copyright-free videos and images from Pexels or Pixabay and insert it to Filmora as well. Alternatively, Pinterest is the best option to collect the footages and images too. In Pinterest, you will get vast number of images and videos related to your topic. Suppose if you are going to create a video on some daily exercise routine. You can simply search animated exercise videos, and as we can see, there are many GIFs available here. So you can download from here and upload it on Filmora. Not only just that, but you can also generate images with Filmora AI image generator tool and add it in your video. So let's ask ChatGPT, could you please write 2 image generation prompt for this paragraph, and then enter a paragraphs or scene for which you want to generate an image. Alright, so here ChatGPT provide a perfect prompt which we can use for an image generation. So let's copy this and go back to the Filmora. Then click on Stock Media option and choose AI Image option. After that, choose Style and Ratio, and enter your prompt. Within a few seconds, it will generate a 4 image for us. As you can see, the result was incredible. So this way, you can also generate an image and add it in your video.
Food number 1, avocados.
After that, do some color grading to enhance the quality of your video. Other than this, you can also change voice with this voice changing features. Then change background music if want to change. You take music from the Filmora audio library. Or you can also generate your music with AI music generator. Select mood, genre, theme, and hit generate. And your music is ready. Awesome. Then add some text to make your video more engaging and people will connect more with your video. Also add animation to the text from these available options. After clicking on transition, add transition between each and every stock footage. So it will look nice. Just drag the transition and set it between 2 videos like this. At last, if you do not like the subtitle style, you can also change it as well. Click on these advanced settings, then choose fonts from these presets, or you can also customize your own fonts if you want. Then when you are done with editing, click on Export the video. From here you can also get the option to create a thumbnail. Just click on this edit button, then you can choose one of the parts from the video itself, or you can also upload an image from your device. Then choose one of these ready-made templates and add it in as per your topic. So this way you can create amazing video with this tool, and you don't have to purchase anything separately.
I have always shared my expertise and new ideas on this channel, as I have over 10 years of experience in content creation. I started off as a video editor, and then later I was managing big channels for my clients, from content planning to publishing videos. As a result, you can see that my channel has grown from 0 subscribers to what we are today. I have 5 more channels on different niche which I currently manage. Apart from my free content, if you are looking for a coaching or mentorship directly from myself, I am taking 5 new people this month to my coaching program, where on a live call I will teach you content creation business with AI. Also, you will get 1 year of support directly from myself through Skype. So if you are interested, you can email me or ping me on my Skype, which is mentioned in the description of this video.
Now let's have a look to our video which we created with Filmora.
Top 10 foods for glowing skin. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to know the secret to glowing, radiant skin? It starts from the inside out. Today I'm sharing the top 10 foods that can help you achieve that beautiful glow. Let's get started. Food number 1, avocados. First up is avocados. Rich in healthy fats, avocados help to hydrate and nourish your skin from within. They are also packed with vitamins E and C, which are essential for skin health. Add them to your salads, smoothies, or enjoy them on toast for a creamy, delicious treat. Food number 2, berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are full of antioxidants, which help fight free radicals and reduce skin aging. They are also high in vitamin C, which boosts collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful. Snack on berries, add them to your cereal, or blend them into a smoothie.